Lexus teases its first electric vehicle, and it has a steering yoke, which I believe it or not, Will, don't care about as much as the actual spec on this vehicle.
Yes.
If it comes to be the way the rumor is right now, it's called the RZ, coming April 20th. I guess there's an event that's going to happen. We'll be watching this event, Will. On
Okay.
April. I don't know if you knew that yet, but we're going to be watching this event. Lexus, obviously, there's no electric vehicle, luxury brand. I'm a fan of Lexus.
You are?
I had a Lexus. I had a Lexus IS 300.
Okay.
It was blue. It was almost the same color blue as that Model S back there. This was a while ago. And you're a fan of Toyota, at least.
Mm-hmm.
So you might be into this.
Yeah, I mean, we talked about it yesterday and the range.
Let me give you the spec. The really exciting part. Never mind the yoke. But by the way, it's going to be Wednesday, April 20th. Did I say that already? At 6 a.m. Eastern. Okay, never mind.
Oh, geez.
Never mind, Will. We're going to watch the recap or what? Are we
Yeah.
waking up early? It's not clear whether Lexus will offer a non-yoke version of its upcoming EV, which it named the RZ450e. The company has also teased a prototype version of the EV, which appears to be styled similarly to the BZ4X. But look at the interior here. Not bad, not bad. I don't know. Not bad, Will. What do you say?
Mm-hmm.
You can cruise in that or no? Or just pure Broncos? There's no. I hate to break. There's no drains in there, in the floor.
No, but I'll take the yoke. They look better and better every time I look at a steering yoke, whether it's Tesla or this RZ.
So that's you right there. You're picturing yourself right there.
It looks fun. It looks like a cockpit.
It does, and they made the screen bigger, as you got to do in all the EVs now. It's gonna. I mean, the yoke thing is gonna continue to be controversial for a while. But listen to this. This is what matters. Toyota has said that it expects to make a Lexus sports car that would have a cruising range of 700 kilometers or 434 miles. And it would go 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. You see how I had to elevate for that, Will? This is stupid numbers. This is better than plaid numbers. Will, I'm looking at you, Will. You see this look on my face? That's a serious look because these are serious numbers. And if they deliver that, they're going to have an absolute rocket ship on their hands.
Yes, but this is not the RZ.
Go ahead, Will.
Potentially, it would be another vehicle. At least that's what it says in this article.
Go ahead, Will.
So either way, the fact that Lexus is going into EVs, that's pretty cool. We should have it in the studio, the RZ.
Are you making commitments to sorting these type of things out?
I would like to.
Okay. Well, Will said it. You guys got to hold him accountable now. You guys got to make sure you don't let him get away with chatting like that when he says he's going to do things.
Yeah.
Like the other day, he said he's going to get Jack Dorsey on the show. I don't see Jack Dorsey yet.